Climate change-related risk is complex and dynamic. How we assess it will influence the way we respond to it as societies. The Region4Climate Risk Assessment Framework is based on existing international frameworks, but is customized to fit the availability of information in the 12 participating regions. The purpose of the Risk Assessment Framework is to support a socially just transition to climate resilience. Risk is located at the center of the framework. Risk is understood as the potential for negative consequences for human and ecological systems. In the Regions4Climate project, 3 key risks have been identified among the participating regions. These are coastal flood on built environment, heat stress on population, and drought on agricultural activity. These risks are determined based on the dynamic interactions of climate-related hazards, exposure, vulnerability, and, not least, by human responses to climate change. In the framework, hazard covers the potential occurrence of a natural or human-induced physical event or trend. There are many different types of hazards. Among the 12 regions, 3 common hazards are coastal floods, heat stress, and drought. Exposure covers presence in places and settings that may be adversely affected. This could be the presence of people, livelihood, ecosystems, infrastructure, social or cultural assets. Vulnerability is related to the predisposition to be negatively affected. The age, employment, marginalization, education, health, and local knowledge can influence in this complex concept, altering the sensitivity to harm and the capacity to adapt to the systems. Finally, an increasingly important factor in assessing risk is response. Response refers to adaptation actions. These projects can minimize some factors but should be carefully planned as they may also increase them. Understanding the complex and dynamic concept of risk is an important step in supporting a socially just transition to climate resilience. Climate resilience is influenced by a variety of factors. How we understand risk and how we as societies respond to it will affect the world of tomorrow.